Ready? Start. Sir, the President's address has been discussed in this August House for 3 full days. Full stop. I understand that 37 speeches have already been delivered. Full stop. The debate has touched upon various aspects of the problems, interest, and care. Full stop. The President's address gives a picture of the country as a whole. Full stop. It is intended to place before the House the full program for the future, the methods that we propose to adopt, the program for progress that has been chalked out, and the achievements that have so far been recorded. Full stop. A picture like that has to be viewed from a correct angle. Full stop. It is necessary that a sense of perspective and proportion should be maintained. Full stop. If one does not try to take a balanced view of things or looks at the picture from an acute angle, then the judgment must be distorted. Full stop. One should not allow his vision to be obstructed by individual happenings. Full stop. The House has taken a favorable view of the address, and it has commended itself to the approval and support of the good sense and wisdom of the House. Full stop. I am grateful to the honorable members for their support in general to the basic policies which have been set forth in this address. Full stop. Para change. During the last 6 or 7 years, there has been steadily a shift in the subjects that are dealt with in the address. Full stop. The economic and the developmental issues have been coming more and more to the front. Full stop. It is but proper that it should be so. Full stop. An underdeveloped country has to give first place to the problems solution of which will result in the satisfaction of hunger and the fulfillment of the needs of those who are suffering from lack of essential commodities needed even for bare subsistence. Full stop. So, economic issues have naturally formed the most part of this debate, and various views about vital matters have been expressed, but basically all seem to be agreed. We want to establish a new rich socio-economic order, an order in which there will be a substantial share of the good things of life for everyone, and in which all will be bound by the bonds of goodwill, full stop. So that is an objective which must necessarily appeal to every member of this house, full stop. Success will depend on increasing our production in all fields, full stop. Stop.